Let's now look at the yourbookingmanager.com from the business owner's perspective. A booking has been made. What does the business owner see? Let's start with the most important section, booked sessions. This is where you see all incoming bookings. When a customer makes a booking, you immediately receive a notification via WhatsApp and email too. And here on your dashboard, you can see the full list of booked services. You can view the client details, the selected service, and the assigned worker. The amount already has been made if the service required a deposit. I will show you later how can you request upfront payments and set its amount. Bookings can be viewed either as a list or in calendar view. Clicking on any booking opens the relevant detailed panel. From here, you can edit the booking, change the assigned worker, modify the service, adjust the duration, update the price, or change the time. Any changes automatically trigger a notification to the customer. For paid bookings, you can issue refunds directly from this section and include a refund message. Once refunded, the booking status changes to refunded and the color updates for easier tracking. You can also cancel bookings, and customers are automatically notified of all actions. You can add bookings manually as well. For example, if a regular customer calls for an appointment, simply click Add Booking, select the worker and service, set duration and price, add the customer's details, choose whether to send a notification, and select the date and time. Once submitted, the booking appears exactly like a customer-made booking. If you need to block time instead of creating a booking, you can select the worker, choose the date and time range, add a comment, and submit. Blocked times appear in red in your calendar and can be deleted later. Now, let's briefly explore the rest of the dashboard. In Main Settings, you can configure your currency and choose whether it appears before or after the price. You can also set the minimum advance booking time. For example, customers may only be allowed to book at least 1 hour before the appointment time. You can choose to accept bookings automatically or receive them as requests that require manual confirmation. Customers receive appropriate confirmations either way. If payment is required up front, bookings are automatically confirmed once payment is completed. In opening times, you define operating days and hours. You can set split shifts, such as closing in the afternoon and reopening later. You can also add special announcements for holidays like Christmas or New Year's Eve. Under business information, you can add your address, extra details like floor and door number, contact numbers, website URL, and social media links. Only fields that contain information will be displayed publicly. You can require customers to accept a booking policy during checkout. Simply enable the option and add your policy text. For example, you may state that appointments are not guaranteed if a customer arrives more than 10 minutes late. To receive payments, you need to connect a Stripe account. Stripe is one of the world's leading payment providers and can be connected in minutes. It has one of the most favourable rates in the market. The transaction fee for UK bank cards costs only 1.5% plus 20 pence. Once connected, you can request either a partial deposit or full upfront payment for your services. Next are notifications, confirmations, and reminders. You can receive booking notifications via email, which is completely free, or via WhatsApp at 2 pence per message. Only £1 provides 50 WhatsApp notifications. The system allows your balance to go down to -£2 before requiring a top-up, so you can start to use these notifications without buying credits. For client confirmations, you can send free email confirmations or SMS confirmations, which cost approximately 5 pence per message in the UK. Emails are always 100% free and can be fully customised. You can also send automatic reminders 4, 8, 24 or 48 hours before an appointment. The Avoid Nighttime Reminders option ensures messages are not sent during late hours, but instead at 8 PM the previous evening. Reminders can be sent via email or SMS and help reduce no-shows. You can also find a direct link to your booking page and a downloadable QR code in PDF or SVG format. These can be used on posters, flyers, or other marketing materials. You can choose to allow search engines like Google to index your booking page, which is highly recommended. Under Introduce Your Business, you can add your title, short description, extended description, logo, main image, additional images, and even a video to tell more about your shop. Unused sections automatically collapse. Your booking page can be fully customized using 8 adjustable color settings. You can use the built-in color picker or paste your brand's hex codes to match your visual identity perfectly. In the staff members section, you can manage your team, activate or deactivate members, set their display order, and define their ranking priority for automatic assignment. Each worker profile allows you to assign roles. Staff members can only see their own bookings. Managers can manage services and dashboard settings but cannot delete workers or the business itself. Only the owner has full control. You can define each worker's availability, either by synchronizing it with the shop's opening hours or setting custom schedules. You can also add holidays for full days or partial hours. During marked holidays, the system will not consider the worker available. For each worker, you can define which services they provide. Add an introduction, upload a profile photo, reference photos, and a video to allow them saying hello to your clients in person. You can invite new team members by entering their name and optional email address. If an email is added, they will receive an invitation to access the dashboard. Every service must belong to a category. You can create categories, define whether they are displayed on the booking page, set their order, add descriptions, and upload photos or videos. Instead of deleting a category, you can hide it temporarily, which removes it from public view. You can find the Create New Category button at the bottom of the page. It's your decision whether you prefer to display the list of service categories on your page or not, and you can set it on the top of the categories page. Managing your services works very similarly to how you handle your categories. First, you need to go to the services page, then select a category to list the services which belong to it. For each service, you can set the price and choose whether to display the word "from" before it. If your Stripe account is connected, you can require either full payment or a partial deposit. You can also define the service duration and add buffer time to allow your team members preparation time between appointments. Assign the workers who can provide this specific service, set the service title and description, and upload as many images as you like. You can even add a video if desired. If you would like to create a new service, click the Start Creating New Service button at the bottom of the page. First, select the category the service will belong to, then click Create New Service. In the pop-up window, enter the name of the service and proceed to add the remaining details, just as previously explained. Finally, in subscriptions, you can view and manage your current plan. You can cancel them anytime by clicking the Manage Your Subscription button. If cancelled, you retain access until the end of the current billing cycle, and no further payments will be charged. Even during a free trial, you can cancel at any time. You remain in full control. This concludes the short walkthrough of the software. New features will be added soon. If you haven't yet watched our video explaining the booking process from your client's perspective, make sure you check it out. It's definitely worth it. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing your booking manager. We look forward to supporting your business growth.